remember eating those jelly sticks as a kid. I was completely obsessed with them. My friends and I used to share them and always fighting while picking our favorite flavors. Mom would always catch us and say, "Stop eating so many. They're not good for you." But we'd just hide a few for later and enjoy them when she wasn't looking. By the way, what's your favorite flavor? Let me know in the comments. Well, now I decided to recreate that fun by making squishy jelly sticks. What childhood snack should I recreate next?